Keestrack calls it an evolution, E-drive and zero-drive machines. Keestrack Managing Director Friedrich Hugendorn, flanked by his brother, Keestrack Vice President of Production and Purchase Peter Hugendorn, pointed out the details and features of the R5E mobile hybrid crusher, the prototype i4E tracked mobile reversible impact crusher, and the newly redesigned K3 scalper. The redesigned R5E mobile hybrid crusher.
So what we've done here is we've introduced a bigger afterscreen to be capable of doing more production. So the new afterscreen is 5 meters long by 1.5 meter wide. So this will give you improved in production. What we've done here as well is so the bottom deck of the afterscreen is long tensioned. So if you would like any specialized screen mesh in there to have a zigzag or a diamond wire in there, that's possible because of the long tensioning of the bottom deck. So for specialized material running. Here's the wind shifter. So the oversized return to the feed hopper again is wind shifted. So we have really clean material coming back into the crusher to be as a nice clean end product. There's a liftable magnet, so depending on what type of material you're running and what size, you can bring down the magnet to have always all the material, all the steel coming out on the side. So it's height adjustable. Here we see the redesigned engine unit. This is a drop-off engine unit since it's full electric. So if you're running on a plug-in or whatsoever, you can drop off the engine on the side. It's not in the dust, it's not in the vibrations, so it's less maintenance and less problems. Here behind is the frequency inverters, all protected, all well. Here at the back we have the access to the pre-screen. If you want to change screen meshes, we can go in here. Here we have the side dirt belt for the pre-screener. This is the longest and highest one in the industry, so it gives you a real high drop-off. Here we have the oversized return conveyor, so from the afterscreen, all the stones that are too big are coming back to the feeder. Or as an option with us, it's swiveling, so you can swivel it open, so you have an open size circuit, so you have an extra end product. One thing you should also know about this machine is the patented blow bars. So we've designed our own blow bars, which are really heavy duty and with a special shape, so you can wear down the most. So you get more utilization out of your blow bars.
The prototype i4E tracked mobile reversible impact crusher.
It fits in our scheme of machines as it is with the same drop-off engine unit. So you can also run it over an external power source or over our generator, which is removable. This machine has the same afterscreen as our smaller R3E impactor. So the screen meshes are interchangeable. But this is a special machine through where we have a couple of patents on them, especially on the way that the material is being crushed. So it's a reversible impactor, we call it. So you have an inlet feed on the top, and you have actually tried to create 2 crushing chambers in one to have a very, very niche, specialized end size product. So especially for asphalt, for granite, to create those kind of end products, you need a very cubical stone. We've created that with this machine without going too deep into a detail, with a special crushing chamber. So the end product coming out of here, it can be straight away used. It's a really cubical size. We received 98% of cubicness in there, and we have a patented in-feed system. So we have our strongest apron feeder, which is in the market, and then we have a reversible belt with a metal detector inside. So if it detects any metal, the belt will reverse itself, go to the side belt, and we have a magnetic drum which will take automatically the steel out, coming out of the chute, and you have a clean stockpile which can be reused to crush again. And the crusher is driven by a 160 kilowatt engine, so it's a really powerful crusher. And it's real ease of maintenance because of the service doors, which you can fully open up, where you have full access to all the blow bars, all the side walls, plates, on everything.
The redesigned K3 scalper.
Because this is a small unit, 18 tons, for rental fleets, needs to be quickly set up and easy to go. So we've tried to implement those things, same like with the oversized conveyor. It has automatically foldable guards, because you need to fold it for transport. It's automatically foldable, so this saves you a lot of time for setting up, and it's more secure for danger, so you don't have to climb on the machine to set it up. We give an easier access to change the screen meshes. and we try to include a more spacious engine unit. If you have to do a service interval or change or something's broken, that you have more space to work on the machine. And also this version is, this K3 is available in two versions, or the standard hydraulic with load sensing pumps, or full electric plug-in version. So easier setup and maintenance. Before you had to open a door to fold the machine. Now we've included them in the door. It's easier accessible, and we've made a small door in the big engine bay for setup, so you can easily view the start the machine and stop the machine.
At bauma in Munich, Germany, Arturo Santiago, Heavy Equipment Guide.